Level 1 is offered eye contact, followed by a reinforcement cue and reward from hand. If the dog passes that level for 1 to 2 reps, you can progress to level 3, which is placing the treat on the ground. This breaks down the game a little more than going straight to tossing the treat. Once your dog passes that level, move on to level 4 by tossing the treat. If the dog comes back to eye contact quickly for 1 to 2 reps, you can add a few simple behaviors. Calm reinforcement is important. I usually use ground for a downstay, which involves me calmly putting a treat in between my dog's front paws. I try not to use exciting reinforcement strategies like tossed treats. I keep my praise calm and quiet. How we deliver the treat matters just as much as giving the treat itself. A slow, deliberate treat delivery gives calm feedback to the dog, reinforcing the relaxed behavior we want. During the second session on that station, I am working on building value. Getting on the thing results in lots of treats. If you have multiple dogs, a relaxed day will allow one to rest while you train the other. And in dog sports, pre-ring setups are a perfect time for a calm, predictable downstay that helps your dog focus and transition into work mode. The same skills apply everywhere. A dog who knows how to settle in place, relax through distractions, and wait for a release, that's a dog who's easy to live with and fun to train.